Yeah, I like the taste of that ice milkshake, milky ice
Oh,
cream
okay,
coffee.
milk ice
Yeah.
cream. Okay. Yeah, me, I like to because this is very healthy, milky shake or
Yeah.
mango
Yeah.
shake, milky shake.
Ooh, nice.
Yeah, chocolate shake. Good, good.
So
And
you like
you
ice
made,
cream?
yeah, I like ice cream, and
Mm,
now you made me drooling.
me too. Oh, I want some of those yummy milkshake.
Yeah, yeah, exactly. Something
Oh,
is roaming in my brain right now.
me too. I'm like, go buy a milkshake, go buy a milkshake.
You should have.
After class. Mm. Oh,
Hi.
I'm so sorry. I have a connection problem.
Okay, no, no problem. It happens generally on Cambly.
How are
So,
you?
please with that. So I am very fine, and you?
I'm also good. It's nice to see you again.
Yes, yes. It is really lovely to meet you again. And how is your day so far?
So far, it's Tuesday. Um, very busy day,
Hmm.
especially on Cambly, but
Okay.
no
Everything.
worries.
Okay, okay. And everything is fine there.
South Africa at the moment, it's not going that well. We
I know
have,
that there is
it's
going
on the
on a
news.
riot. Yeah.
Yes. It's very scary when
Hmm.
you see these things on television and you live in South Africa.
Yeah, it is very
Um,
scary.
yeah.
And
So
in your locality?
my community.
No, no, in your locality, in your local area?
Oh, it's okay. I live in a small town. It's
Okay.
safe. Yeah. Um, so this happened in this big capital city, Johannesburg, and
Yes, don't
also,
start this.
yeah, KwaZulu-Natal area. Yeah.
Oh,
It's scary because these groups of people, they burned down food trucks, and these food trucks provide a lot of food for the country.
yes, yes, I know that. And
Yeah.
you are going on the scarcity of food, shortage of food. So this is very sad news. For
Yes. And what about you?
yeah, in India, some now the cases is increasing gradually. So this would be the bad news for us because I we don't know that maybe for this reason third wave may come soon. Third wave of corona may come soon.
Oh, so the
Okay.
COVID-19, it's not getting better?
Due to these few days, past few days, it
Mm.
is gradually increasing. So
Oh, I'm so
that is scary.
sorry.
Okay, no problem. It's really nice because you don't know really what is going on. So that's why. Okay, no problem. Okay,
Yeah.
let's change the mood. So, do you like shopping?
I like? What do I
Shopping.
like?
Do you like shopping? Shopping?
Shopping?
Yeah.
Yes. If I have
Okay.
the time and the money, I love to go shopping for clothes.
Okay, clothes. So you like shopping for clothes, especially.
Yeah,
Okay.
it's much
And yeah,
fun.
yeah, exactly. And I think that there are a lot of girls, lot of ladies who are tend to shop clothes for
Yes.
their dresses. And in the in the cases of boys, they tend to they tend to buy, yeah, electronics gadgets like that,
That's
earphones,
true.
mobile phones,
Yes.
power banks. Yes, yes. I see. I noticed that.
Yeah, you noticed?
Yeah, I
Also,
noticed.
it's your country that way?
Yeah, same, same,
Yeah.
same.
Especially here. Yeah.
But yeah, some people, some boys uh, also prefer to buy some new dresses, new clothes. But
Yeah.
it is a trend. I
Fashion.
think it is a tradition. Yeah, it is a, yeah.
What
And
do you
yeah,
like?
I like I like clothes, especially
Yeah.
because
You like to
I,
be on the fashion side, the new
uh,
fashion? Or
not so much. I am not so up to date, but I like
me
new
too.
clothes. I like new trends. I definitely like this, and also I prefer clothes to gadgets because I have no. Though I am using electronics gadgets too
Mhm.
much, and but I have no interest in the more updated version because whatever I am using right now, it is fine. It is smoothly run. It is running smoothly, so that's why.
If it's working,
Yeah.
it's
Okay.
fine. Yeah.
Yeah. And
Okay.
so and one interesting question comes to in my brain that what is the most expensive um, gift or thing you had received or you had bought till now?
I
Yeah.
recently
For
bought
yourself. For yourself.
for myself.
Yeah.
I bought it. I bought my laptop last
Oh,
month.
okay.
Yeah,
So nice. So
it was a
nice.
big achievement. I saved my money, you know.
Yes.
Yeah, it's
By
the first
your
time I bought
earnings.
this.
Yes. It is
Yeah.
really a great achievement when you earn and also you buy something by your earnings. It is really a great achievement.
Oh, that's true, right? And
Yes.
you? What about you?
Yeah. And my by my earning I buy my this phone by which
Oh,
yeah this phone by which I am conducting these
oh,
online classes.
oh, cool. Okay. And how did
Yes.
you feel when you bought this? You were happy?
Yeah, I am extremely happy. I was extremely happy that, and I also I feel the great happiness because by my earning I bought it, and
Wow.
after a lot of research, and then I am able to buy it. So it is a really great achievement for my also
It's
for me
it's
also.
it's so good. It's a very good achievement.
Mm.
Yeah, that's great. You should be proud of yourself.
Yes, thank you. I should be, and you should be
Wow.
too. You should be proud of yourself
Thank
too
you.
because you are doing a fabulous job on Cambly.
Oh, thank you. Thank you.
Good, good, and yeah,
You Sorry.
no, no. Sometimes it happens. No problem. So, and do you like what kind of shopping do you like? Offline shopping or online shopping?
Um, I like to go and see the product in store.
Yes.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay.
It's hard to shop, especially clothes, to shop
Hello.
online. Yes, I love to shop offline. Yeah, to see
Oh,
the
oh,
product, to fit the product. It's
yes.
very
Yes.
good.
Exactly.
What
This
about
is the
you?
best. Yes, I feel like that. This is the biggest advantage to buy something
Yeah,
physically. Yeah, I like
that's
offline
true.
mode especially, and most of the case I go to the market and buy something so physically, and I like
Yeah,
offline mode.
it's true. And shopping, you go out of the house, you
Yes,
take a moment for yourself and walk through the clothes. Online, it's just on the cell phone,
yes, exactly,
not
exactly,
doing much.
and you can't after you receive the product or thing you if there is something damage or demerits or dispute, then you have to uh, return your thing. But
True.
when you buy something in hand, then you can check it out properly, and then you have to return that thing.
That's so true. It
Yeah.
happened to me. I don't know about you. Online shopping, the
Mm.
product never looks the same. Some
Yes,
companies.
exactly, exactly.
Yeah.
It is totally changed. The color, I see one color and it comes another color. So it is
I bought
totally
a dress. The dress was very nice, but When I received the dress was a kid's dress.
Oh my God, the size problem.
Yeah, the size.
Yeah, yeah,
That
there are a
was,
lot of.
yeah.
And
What's
do you like tea or coffee?
coffee?
Okay.
Coffee addiction. What about you?
I like tea most
Ah,
because we drink tea mostly
mm,
in my house. But sometimes in
very
rain
healthy.
season or in winter season, I like to drink coffee also.
Oh, okay, that's good.
And
Coffee keeps me
yeah,
awake.
yeah.
So I go through the day with coffee. If I don't have the coffee, I don't go through the day.
Okay, okay. Yeah. Coffee make you energetic and fit and fine.
Yeah.
Okay. And hot coffee or cold coffee? Hot.
Ooh, both. Yeah.
Oh, both. You tasted
You?
both. Yeah, I never tasted a cold coffee, so I have to taste.
It's
So
different. You know, like coffee milkshake?
yeah,
Yeah.
yeah, exactly.
Yeah, I like the taste of that. Ice milkshake, milky ice
Oh,
cream
okay,
coffee.
maybe ice
Yeah.
cream. Okay. Yeah, me, I like to because this is very healthy, milky shake or
Yeah.
mango
Yeah.
shake, milky
Ooh,
shake.
nice.
Yeah, chocolate shake. Good, good.
So
And
you
you,
like
you
ice
made.
cream?
Yeah, I like ice cream, and
Uh,
now you made me drooling.
Me too. Oh, I want some of those yummy milkshake.
Yeah, yeah, exactly. Something
Oh,
is roaming in my brain right now.
me too. I'm like, go buy a milkshake, go buy a milkshake.
You should have.
After class. Mm.
Okay. And it is really, really nice to meet you and hope to see you soon, thousand
You.
times.
Thank you for calling and keep up the good work. You're
Thank you
doing
very much.
great.
And you are too.
Thank you so much. Be
Okay.
safe, okay?
To take care. Bye bye.
Thank you. See you soon.
See you.